Grand Rising, cousins. Matthew 22:37. Jesus said to him, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind." Cousins, as I was reading that verse, I realized that I've been saying, love the Lord your God with all your body, mind, soul, and heart. And just now, it hit me. Look at that nice car. It hit me. God is not concerned with our physical bodies. You ever thought about that? Or have you read the Bible in depth? Or you just did what I did, went along with everyone else said, and always added body to it? Isn't that something? One of the things we cherish the most living on this earth has no recognition to God, our physical body. No matter what size you are, no matter what shape you are, no matter what, God doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to God. Isn't that something? I'm going to read from the devotion straight from the list, because hi there, it's Kenzie with Essential Worship. It is nice. It's straight to the point. I don't have to think about how to make it easier for you to understand. It started with Matthew again. I'm going to restate the verse. Jesus said, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind." This verse is a powerful reminder of the greatest commandment, calling us to wholehearted devotion to God. It challenges us to examine the depth and sincerity of our love for Him, urging us to go beyond following the rules of religious traditions and to cultivate an intimate, all encompassing relationship with our Creator. Loving God with all your heart means that our emotions and desires are aligned with His will. It means that we prioritize Him above all else, allowing His love to shape our affections and to guide our decisions. Isn't that something? When we love God with all our soul, we are committing our very being to Him. Our identity, our purpose, and existence are rooted in His love, and we find our true fulfillment in His glory. So God wants our mind, which is our psyche. He wants our heart, our emotions, and He also wants our soul. To love God with all your mind is to engage our intellect in the pursuit of knowing Him more deeply. It involves meditating on His word, seeking His wisdom, and allowing His truth to transform our thoughts and perspectives. We talked about all of this, cousin. And when we don't know what to do, don't do nothing but move in truth, move in good, move in honesty. Reflecting on this commandment, we're reminded that our love for God showed up should be evident in every area of our lives. It should influence how we interact with others, how we spend our time, and how we use our resources. As we grow in our love for God, we become more attuned to His presence and more responsive to His leading. Cousins, today, let's surrender our hearts, souls, and minds to God. Let us seek to deepen our relationship with Him, knowing that as we do, we will experience the fullness of His love and the abundant life He promises. Cousin, this was a very, very deep verse in understanding that everything that matters to God cannot be seen. Have you all thought about that? Everything that matters to God cannot be seen by man. Mm, 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 mm. I'm going to leave y'all on that one. Everything that matters to God cannot be seen by man. Your mind, your intellect, your soul, and your heart, your emotions. Cousins, this is a good one. I'm going to leave y'all to meditate on that one. So, cousins, have a great day. Be blessed. Mind, soul, and heart. Body is nowhere in there. Have a blessed day. Peace, love.